Hi everyone, Matt Watson here from Car Wow. So I've got a really unusual drag race for you. So I'm sat in a Jeep Wrangler Rubicon, the hardcore off-road version of the Jeep. Next to me is a Suzuki Jimny, and next to that, off the tarmac, is a Bowler Bulldog. Now there's a reason for this setup. So this Jeep, it has a 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine with 270 horsepower, and it has 400 Newton meters of torque. That Bowler over there has a supercharged V8 from a Range Rover Sport SVR, so it's got 5 litres, 550 horsepower and 700 Newton meters of torque. So it's going to be quicker than this Jeep. So we've handicapped it by putting it on the grass. Also, it's on all-terrain tyres, not hardcore off-road tyres, so it's going to struggle a little bit with traction. And that's why we have the little Jimny here. And to tell you all about the Jimny, let's speak to its driver. It's Alex Kirsten from Car Throttle.
So Alex, you're in a little Jimny, aren't you?
Tell us a bit about your lovely, cute little car.
You're right, Matt. I'm in the Jimny and I'm so happy.
This is the best new car that you can buy.
Forget drag racing sports cars.
This is what it's all about. Anyway, this is the
Suzuki Jimny 1.5 naturally aspirated 4-pot, 101 horsepower, 130 Newton meters, and it costs
£16,000. But you want to know the best thing about this?
Look at how much it moves.
It's amazing.
1.1 tons.
It looks like you're driving it off-road, even though it's stationary. That's so funny.
That thing, like you say, 16 grand.
And this is like 48 grand, so pretty expensive really, but that Bowler over there,
That's £135,000.
though it is pretty much a bespoke chassis, even though it looks like a Land Rover Defender. It also has the subframes off the very latest Range Rover front and back as well. That Bowler has an 8-speed automatic gearbox with all-wheel drive. The Jimny though, it's a manual. All the cars are in 4-wheel drive mode. All right, let's do this.
Right, launch control engaged. Joke, it doesn't have launch control. Listen to that. Oh wow, that sounds disgusting.
This has got a soft limiter at 3,500 RPM.
Whoa. I'm going. I may have jumped the start a little bit.
Jimny's always cheating races.
I'm in the lead.
That Bowler's struggling for grip.
Come on, Jimny. I'm still in the lead.
Can he catch the Jimny? I'm going to take the Jimny.
I'm not in the lead.
This is going to be so close. Come in, he's coming, come on.
Look at that thing go.
Come on, Jeep. Come on, is he going to get me? He was just stood there with his wheel spinning probably about 100 miles an hour, not going anywhere. Then it bit into the ground and it took off, took the Jimny, and I'm not sure whether it took me. It was so very close.
What happened, Alex? I lost.
Despite cheating.
No, my foot slipped.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Jeep Wrangler did the standing quarter mile in 15 seconds, just beating the Bowler by the narrowest of margin, which also did the standing quarter mile in 15 seconds, which was pretty damn impressive considering it wasn't even on its proper off-road tyres. If it had been, it surely would have won. Last was the Suzuki Jimny, with a time of 16.9 seconds, even though it blooming cheated. Now we're going to do a rolling race.
Right, I'm going to have to get tactical again.
We're going to do it from 30 miles an hour in second gear.
God, I'm struggling to keep up even now.
This is locked in second in the automatic, so is the Bowler, and the Jimny's obviously in manual.
Ready, guys? 3.
I'm going. I've gone for it.
2.
Come on! I'm winning!
Go. Oh, it doesn't like changing gear quickly. This thing, oh, I've just been destroyed.
I'm winning something! Come on, Jimny!
Can I catch the Jimny, the cheating Jimny?
Come on, Jimny! No! No! Come on, Jimny!
Oh, that Bowler is just gone.
Come on! Come on!
Come on, Jeep.
Come on! Yes! Yes!
Just been destroyed. been destroyed. It's just been destroyed. Come on, Jeep. Come on, Jeep. Come on, Jeep.
Look at that! That is a decisive win over the Jeep!
I lost that. Now we can have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the line, full emergency stop. It's going to be interesting to see what happens. This car's running on off-road tyres, so they don't help, but the bowler's not in particularly good shape either.
Yes, come on, Jimny!
Yeah, here we go, here's the line. No.
Yes!
That is literally the funniest thing I've seen all day.
That was good. Oh, cramp in the old left leg there.
Did you see that bowler?
I was concentrating on staying in a straight line, to be honest, but yeah, no, that's impressive.
That's grass for you. It just kept on going, didn't it? Jimny did win, though, by about half a car's length.
So can I just say, by process of elimination...
The Jimny is actually the best car here. Could be, but you did cheat twice. But when you work out
The performance based on the price and how much fun you can have in it, the Jimny always wins no matter what.
Shall I do some celebratory donuts?
If you can do celebratory
donuts, I'd like to see them.
can he do them? That celebratory...
Driving round in a circle.
My mum could definitely do that. Can you do those donuts in reverse as well? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and of course go check out Car Throttle. It's actually sliding a bit. Thanks for watching. Go. Oh, I forgot to change up. Let's do it again, sorry.
I won it! Yes!
I don't care that you coughed it up.
A win is a win.
Changing gears on this thing is just nonsense. I thought it was some buttons behind the paddles, but I actually just ended up turning up the volume of the stereo.
Jimny, Jimny, Jim, Jenny.